Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been away for so long. Oh my gosh, you guys don't even know. I've been really sick lately, so I hadn't really been able to make a video, haven't been able to navigate to my computer to make a video. So that's fun. Finally have my voice back so I can actually talk to you guys and not sound like a complete idiot. Not that I don't already. Just kidding. Or am I? Anyway, so yeah, I'm back now guys. I kind of have a cool video to show you. But before I show you the video, I do have to kind of make an announcement. It was brought to my attention via somebody that I need to really physically source my stuff, I guess you could say. I tell you guys in every video when I use a product or a site or something that's not mine, I do tell you where I get it from. However, people or somebody has been saying they're not noticing that and they're assuming I'm just stealing stuff. So that's a problem. We need to fix that ASAP. So from this point forward in my videos, if I use a site for sources or things like brushes, textures, or other stuff, their links will be in the description box. So you'll know where I got the stuff from, and they'll get credit for me using their stuff. Okay? However, when I use a stock image like this one here, or some textures that I find on google.com like I usually say in my videos, that's going to be hard to source because I just take what I find on Google, copy and paste. I don't go to the actual site and take it, so that's hard to source. But if I specifically look for a texture on a specific site, that will be sourced in the description box below, as will anything else I use that's not mine. Okay? Just an FYI. So look out for my description box for all that sourcing. Just so you guys don't think I steal stuff. I'm not stealing stuff. It's in the description box of whatever I do. Okay? Alright. That was said, let's get to the video. So, I already have a stock image pasted here. I have one effect on top of it. For some reason, when I tried to do a practice run of this tutorial, if I didn't leave this effect on top, it was going to screw things up, so very weird, but whatever. So, you're going to want to duplicate your stock image or your image you're using 3 times, because we're having 3 different effects. So, double click the first one. We're going to add an inner glow for this one. Inner glow is going to be this color, is going to be this blue color here, or a blue color that matches your background. Since I'm using a black background, this worked well for me. Did that. Overlay is the blend mode, and 200 is the size. And that is the effect we have there. Awesome sauce there. Okay, second layer is going to be a blurred layer. So go to filter. Obviously I can't because my layer is disappeared, but hold on. You'll understand why it's soft like that. Sorry guys, I'm still kind of sickish. Gaussian blur, not 4, but we're going to use 10 for the radius. 4 pixels comes in later on. You'll see what I'm talking about there. So definitely use 10 pixels for that. And then set that layer to overlay, and you'll get the effect that you see on the left side on my computer. Awesome sauce. Let's move to the third layer. Actually the third layer. We have to do one more step before that, and that's make the pattern overlay. So over here on my other canvas that I have here, I'm showing you what I've made for my pattern. And this is made strictly by using the rectangle tool. You just go ahead and make 4-ish rectangles. Or really, you make 1 rectangle, and then you duplicate that layer, move it down a bit, and so on and so forth. And then you go ahead and delete the background to make it transparent, and boom, you got yourself a pattern. Now to get that pattern into your boxes, or your presets, go to Edit, and Define Pattern. And then boom, there it is, you can save it, and it's there. Alright, moving on. Let's now go to the third layer, and add that lovely pattern. Okay, third layer. Double click this lady. Pattern overlay. Select your pattern that you have. Set that pattern to overlay. And select a scale that works best for you. I chose 40%, but you guys can go a little bit smaller or a little bit bigger, whatever works for you. And you will see something like that. A little bit contrasted, but still pretty cool. Yeah, I'm loving it. And that layer should be set to overlay as well, if you didn't already know, if I didn't already say that. Okay, So, those 3 layers now excuse me, are nearly done. But I want to add more effects to this because, let's be real guys, I'm JazzedTutorials. I like to jazz stuff up, so we're going to do that. Alright, on top of all those 3 layers, we're going to add a curves adjustment layer. I'm using green and blue and the RGB. So we're going to go start with blue, and you're going to move it slightly upwards and then a bit down to make a blue hue of your choice. And the same with the green, keeping it with the blue theme, a little bit of green and a little bit over there. And then over here on the RGB, I only moved it slightly downward and upward to give it more of a contrast-ish look. Oh, and by the way, we also have a clipping mask on that layer. So it's only on the girl layer, not the entire canvas. Open that up, and boom! Alright, we are looking good. Okay, a little bit more bluish, you'll notice in some parts, but whatever. Alright, take those 4 layers you have, and now group them. I grouped these because it made it more easy to work with my last 2 layers. Okay. The last 2 layers are also going to be a copy of the girl layer. It doesn't matter which layer you pick as long as you have the outline of the girl involved. So I went back to my groups and I opened it up. And I went to the first layer, which is layer 1. Where is layer 1? Layer 1 is somewhere over the rainbow. Alright, it's right here. Do a Command AX, which is basically a cut and paste. Okay? Cut and paste it. And then move it all the way down to the bottom. It should say, mine says layer 2, yours may not, I don't know. Okay? Duplicate layer 2 of that, because you want 2 of those. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you are going to set the fill to 0. So what you have, oh yeah, wait. This is the 4 pixel blur, guys. Hold up. Okay. So I've moved the girl slightly to the right over here. She's kind of behind herself, but not. And I went to filter, hit Gaussian blur, and that's where the 4-point pixel Gaussian blur that you saw earlier comes into play. Okay. She's blurred over there. Set the fill to 0. Double click. We're going to add 3 things. We're going to add the inner glow. And on the right side, I've chosen red. That lovely red hue right there. We have a 230 pixel size with linear dodge add for our blend mode. Down below, we have the same pattern we've been using. The one we just made, remember that? Yeah, open that back up. Overlay. And on this one, I'm leaving it at 100 for my scale. I just don't give a nothing. Okay. Last but not least, outer glow. Select your same red color. Set your blend mode to screen, 40% opacity, and set your size to 50. Woo! Wait. It gets good, guys. Boom! Look at that. Oh, that's pretty sick. That's pretty awesome, actually. Okay. We're going to do the same exact thing on the left side that we just did, but using a blue color. Everything is the same. The blur, the everything. So do your 4-point pixel blur first. Then set your thing to fill to 0. Over here, outer glow, blue, same pattern overlay. Inner glow is the same, just different color. Click OK. Alright, we are cooking with gasoline. So that's what we've done. Now, to add to this, I added a cool little texture. Now, I don't have a source for this texture. I do apologize. This has been on my external hard drive for a bunch of years. I just found it. I don't know where it originally came from. I'm assuming it was Google, but I really don't know. So if you are the owner of this texture, comment below. I will give you credit in the description box if it is yours. Just an FYI. So let me show you what that looks like in my box. We're using this one right here. I will leave a link in the description box for this. However, it's not going to be the original. It will be a MediaFire download. So I'm going to upload this on a MediaFire. So if you are the owner, let me know so I can give you full credit. Okay? So that will be uploaded into MediaFire. I will leave a link for that description box below to download for you guys. Whoops, I didn't really want to open that, but okay. I'm going to paste that above everything, including our group. And I'm going to then erase the girl in that. So what I've done, so I have that over there. I've erased the entire thing so that it's not covering the girl. It's just in the background. Set that to overlay, guys, and you have yourself a lovely effect. Oh my Jesus, look at that. How cool is that? I mean, is it getting any cooler than that, guys? I don't know. I don't think so. I just love it. It's so great. Like, you get the pinkish hue in there. In some parts, you get the red, you get the sparkles, you get the blue, the purple. Oh my god, it's awesome. So that is the holographic 3D-ish effect I was going for, and that's it. That's all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, subscribe. I try to post as often as I can, but my new schedule of working and stuff, it's a lot to do, so I'll do what I can. If you have any suggestions for content, any ideas, any needs, or any helpful things, whatever, comment below. I'll definitely email you back, or I'll comment back to you. If you have any, what's the word I'm looking for, guys? Commissionable ideas or things you want me to help you work on for a commissionable sense, definitely email me at my business email. My business email can be found in my About Me section on my channel. You can email me there. I will respond to you and do my best to help you out. So thank you very much for watching this video, and again, please like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. You're amazing, and I will see you guys in another video sometime soon. Okay? Bye!